Hello everyone. Are you troubled by tedious raw material pretreatment, heavy dust pollution, high labor costs, and low output during the production of straw-based biomass pellets? Take a look at our dust-free straw biomass pellet production line. Our machinery supports direct feeding of bundled straw, with no need for prior manual unbundling. Raw materials may be loaded directly via forklift, drastically lowering your pre-processing labor costs. It comes equipped with a heavy-duty pulse jet dust collector with strong suction capacity. The whole system adopts a sealed negative pressure structure. All floating dust and straw chaff are sucked into dust removal pipelines. Hardly any dust leaks out while the machines are running, keeping your workshop clean and comfortable for operators. The dust removal machine demonstrates stable performance during prolonged operation and requires minimal routine maintenance. After bundled straw passes through our shredding section, the processed shredded straw keeps a consistent and stable particle size. This well-processed raw material enables the production of high-quality biomass pellets which own firm texture, high density and reliable finished product quality. This straw pellet production line meets the production demands of medium and large-scale biomass processing plants. Our engineers have finished on-site commissioning at the customer worksite, and the machine runs smoothly. Our service team can complete machine installation, debugging, and operator training on your premises. After the setup work is finished, we also provide fast spare part delivery and sustained technical guidance. As an original pellet machine manufacturer, every machine passes strict factory inspection before shipment. We provide customized solutions for biomass processing factories of various scales. Considerate after-sales service ensures your machines maintain stable long-term operation. If you have any needs for biomass pellet machines, please feel free to contact us and visit our factory to inspect the workshop and the machinery in person.